will accept the award on behalf of the winning organisation.
Hello, as Secretary General of the Mission to Seafarers, I'm absolutely delighted to be receiving this award on behalf of our whole organisation. I want to do so with thanks to Safety for Sea and in recognition of your important contribution. As ever, I accept it with enormous humility because the work has been done completely by others, especially by Tom O'Hare, who developed and who manages and delivers this programme, and very successfully so. SafeTALK is making an important contribution to suicide prevention in the maritime sector. The course has ensured our frontline teams are able to recognise and respond to potential signs of suicide amongst seafarers. And we must make a special thank you to Living Works, the developers of SafeTALK, and to several other suicide prevention charities and industry stakeholders who've supported us in delivering this programme. All of us will at some point encounter suicide risk, even amongst our family, our colleagues and our friends. The SafeTALK programme prepares us to respond appropriately, and it has a proven track record. We now intend to continue delivering SafeTALK to both seafarers and those closely involved with seafarers. Seafarers are particularly vulnerable at sea, remote from the support networks that most of us take for granted. To have the tools enabling a proactive response to suicide prevention is transformational. I'm proud of this programme and glad it's been recognised, and even more pleased about the increasing attention being given to this aspect of seafarer welfare. This is a tough subject, but it is everyone's business, and together we care. Thank you.